friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today we are going to be taking a look at what yarns I am using for the month of April. For the month of April, I am planning to release 2 projects, both of which are going to be accessories. So I am super excited about both of them because I get to play around with one yarn that I have yet to use and 2 yarns that I really love. The first pattern that I'm releasing for the month of April is going to be a bag. I'm really excited about this bag. Specifically, it's a backpack, and you're going to be getting it in the first week of April. For this bag, I decided to use one of my all-time favorite yarns. It's one of my go-tos for bags. 24/7 cotton is hands down one of my favorite yarns to use for bags. It's sturdy, it's got a really nice shine to it. It's got such a beautiful shine to it. I absolutely love using 24/7 cotton. The color that I am using is called Beech Nut. This is a really pretty, neutrally kind of pink. It's a little bit dusty. It's not very bright. It's just kind of a perfect pink. So I don't know how else to explain it, but it's a perfect pink. I love this color. It's a newer color to the 24/7 cotton line, and the bag that I made came out so cute, and this color is just absolutely perfect for spring and summer. It's a very beachy kind of pink. I love it. I really enjoyed using this yarn as usual because it's one of my favorites. If you have not used 24/7 cotton. 24/7 cotton is a number 4 weight yarn. It is mercerized cotton, so it's got this really nice finish to it. Let's see if I can get it to really focus in there. It's got this really nice finish to it so that you have some really great stitch definition. It's hands down one of my favorite yarns for accessories. It's very durable. It machine washes and dries well. It holds its shape really well. It can be kind of heavy if you use it for a bigger project, like if you were going to make, say, a blanket or anything else out of this, but for accessories, it's great. You could do some really nice tight stitches and you will have a project that is going to last for sure. Now, my next project for April is another bag, but I am using 2 yarns. One that I've used a ton of times and one I have never used before. I'm really excited about this project, especially because I finally found a stitch that worked well with these 2 colors that I have decided to pair together. This is going to be another interlocking crochet project. I'm so excited about it. I am going to be pairing together Lion Brand's Color Theory and Lion Brand's Mandala Ombre. I've used Color Theory a ton of times. This is the color Ivory. It's a little bit blown out on camera, but it is a perfect creamy white. And this is a color that I absolutely love. I love Color Theory yarn. It is such a really nice, this is definitely a premium acrylic. It's a number 4 weight yarn. If you have not used Color Theory yet, I would highly suggest that you pick it up for a project because you are going to love it. It washes and dries really well. It feels great on your skin. Hands down, one of my favorites. The other yarn that I'm using is Mandala Ombre. This is a mandala that I have yet to try yet. It is so pretty, guys. Okay, check that out. So the Mandala Ombre yarns are self-striping yarns, but what they do is that they have one color that does go throughout it, so it gives us this really great ombre effect. There's no harsh color changes. They blend really well. This color that I have chosen to pair with Mandala's Ivory is called Serene. It is, again, another number 4 weight yarn. It's got this beautiful blend of pinks and oranges and kind of like a salmon in it. And then the base of it is this really nice ivory color that matches this just about perfectly. Now, that is actually why I was having so much trouble swatching. So this is going to be an interlocking crochet bag. The issue that I was having is I just was not getting enough contrast. I thought that these contrasted really well, and they do when they're completely separate from each other, but with the interlocking crochet patterns that I was trying, they blended all too much. It was extremely frustrating. I think I tried about 3, possibly 4 different patterns until I got to one that it worked perfectly. You're really gonna like this bag. I am super, super excited about it. It's a shape that I haven't done yet. I'm hoping that it works out because I'm currently still working on it. I'm a little bit behind on this project because, again, I had to make so many different swatches to find the perfect stitch to combine these two yarns. But I found it. I found the perfect stitch, and dare I say, it's probably going to be one of my favorite bags that I've ever created. Now, Mandala Ombre, just like Lion Brand's Color Theory, is also a number 4 worsted weight yarn. These two pair absolutely perfectly together. I mean, they both feel great. They're both machine washable and dryable. The color palettes are beautiful. I would highly suggest checking out this yarn if you want to try to do any projects that would look really cool using a self-striping yarn that's got this gradient effect to it and pair it with a solid. These are a great option to try to pair together. Really excited about this project. Can't wait for you to see it. This is coming towards the end of April. So I'm really excited about these 3 yarns for the month of April. I cannot wait to share these projects with you. The 24/7 cotton project will be the first week of April, so in just a couple of days, you guys are going to have that. It will have a full video tutorial alongside the free pattern and individual PDFs. And of course, there will be a Lion Brand kit. Same goes for the Color Theory and Mandala Ombre project. There will be a video tutorial, there will be a free pattern, there will be individual patterns, and there, of course, will be a Lion Brand kit. All right, guys, that's all I've got in it for me today. I don't have much to chit chat about. I am tired, I am uncomfortable, and I am just looking at the calendar and waiting for baby. I am very close to the point at which my midwife is comfortable with me having her. I really kind of hope she's early. I've never had any of my kids early. My boys have all been on time. I don't want to go into May. I'm really kind of hoping that she's like a mid to late April baby because I don't think I have another 6 weeks in me. I am tired and I am sore. So yeah, I'm gonna try to keep up the pace with everything, and I'll keep you guys posted along the way as to how I'm feeling and what's going on with baby. And I will be sure to let you know when she comes. But in the meantime, make sure that you guys keep an eye out for new free patterns, video tutorials, and just all around yarny goodness. I know I'm probably gonna get a comment here or there asking what this is. This is the reversible duality coat. It's 2-sided, right? 2 sides. And it has pockets. I did just release this pattern with the free pattern, the individual PDFs, and the video tutorial alongside of a Lion Brand kit. So I will make sure to link that below because this, you guys have been loving this. Thank you so much for the response on it. I am so happy that you guys love this coat just as much as I do. It was a labor of love for sure. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please make sure to hit the notification bell so that this way you don't miss any of my new videos that are coming out, which are including video tutorials for patterns. I'm going to be starting an entire beginner series. Eek! I said it, so I kind of have to do it now. Focusing on the basics because I do get a lot of questions about that, and I want to be able to direct you guys to really, really good, short, easy to consume tutorial videos to help you out if there's anything that maybe just something that's not clicking and you want some help with and you don't want to have to go through a super, super long video. I'm going to try to create a whole bunch of really short videos to go together to kind of help with some of the crochet basics. So that is coming down the pipeline in the next few months, so stay tuned for that. Make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of this, and I will talk to you all soon.